In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove filter from Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Take a new video or photo, then simply swipe left or right until you reach the original unfiltered version. This instantly removes any applied filter. However, keep in mind that if the image is already saved in memories or in a camera roll, Snapchat won't allow you to remove the filter, as it becomes permanent part of the saved picture. In those cases, you can use third-party editing apps like Snapseed, Adobe Light, or PicsArt to reduce the filter's intensity by adjusting tools such as brightness, contrast, saturation, or using the healing brush. If the filter was applied using your phone's Photos app, you may be able to refer the picture back to original. To avoid this problem in the future, always save your snap before applying filters. Just tap the save icon right after taking a photo to keep an unfiltered version in your memories or camera roll. And that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.